Let's go, boys. Let's go. Yeah, right now, today I'm gonna show you guys on how to make your chest pop out. So first is a close up, like this. That's my love sign. Let's go. Go straight, straight. "15." Rest for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go again. Rest for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go. Yes. Yeah. That's it. That's what I used to do every morning, in the afternoon, and before I go to bed. So I try to do this. Okay, that's it. If you see that this video is really helpful and you're not part of my community or part of my my YouTube channel, I just want you to subscribe, turn on the notification button, that anytime I upload new videos, then you're gonna able to know that I upload a video. Stay blessed. You are so kind being with me up to this time, watching this video. Love you, boys. Yeah.